Today I'm going to show you how to hook up your manifold gauges to this AC trainer. First you want to cut off power, then you want to grab a couple of tools like some gloves, your service wrench and adjustable wrench. Then you want to go to your service ports. You want to take off these valve stem covers. Now that you got the valve stem covers off, you want to make sure everything is tight and that those stems are back seated all the way. That way no refrigerant comes out whenever you do the next step and take off these the next set of covers. Now that we got everything set up there, we're going to grab our manifold gauges, and first we're going to connect our high side. We're going to connect that to the liquid line. And we're going to do the same for our low side and connect that to our suction line. Now that we got our manifold gauge hooked up, you can take your service wrench again. Now you want to make sure that it's loosening and we can crack those valve stems. Now we can see on our manifold gauge that we're starting to read some pressures. Same for our suction line. Now you would just want to purge your hoses and get any excess air out of your hoses. That way it doesn't contaminate the system when you turn it on. Now that we got everything hooked up, we'll just cut on the system, start reading pressures.